No. Oh, no.
All right. Now I've been tasked with making something that allows this and these to work with the stock sender for the level, with an aftermarket sender for the fuel, which is going to be a Phytech unit. So I basically am going to remake this. So I have to draw it first. You get the YouTube magic going, yeah, something like that, dude. Also, the power went out. Hell yeah, dude. But the laptop's charged, so we're fucking dialed, boys. Get this going. Oh, yeah, work offline as fuck. You ain't got no goddamn service, dude. You know what I mean? Yeah, something like that. And throw this in bamboo, dude. You know what I mean? Sort it out, dude. How long is this print gonna take? I'm gonna say 2 hours. Pretty fast printer. We'll see. Come on, slice the plate, dude. Get it going. 1 hour and 37 minutes. That's not bad, dude. Not fucking bad. It'll actually be... it'll be almost done by the time I leave. Is this supports? Friggin'... I think the support might be low. Or sorry. Strength is what I mean. Where is it? 15%? No. Yeah, 10. That's why. 100 is what we need, buddy. Boom. Now slice the plate. Slice it. 3 hours and 35 minutes. See you tomorrow. Oh shit, I can't print it because the fucking power's off. Piss. Yeah, we're beat for today, boys. Ain't got fuck all to do. Fucking no power, dude. It's quiet in here minus the fucking festive music over there these guys are bumping. I got fucking nothing going on, dude. You know what I mean, Ruben? Nothing. Nada. Nada mierda. Nada electricity. Fucking quiet. No sounds. Solo mariachi. That's it. Yeah, dude. Got out of work early. Got home. Got my spacers. I gotta fix that. Bunch of stuff. Oh, look, I beat her home. Yeah, I bought shit. All right, just ate dinner. I'm gonna put the wheels on the 4runner. I'm impatient. I don't wanna wait until the weekend. Wheels are going on. Got my spacers. Do you guys really care to see me jacking the car up? No. So I'll just do one of these. Boom. Yeah, I couldn't help myself, dude. Sorry. Had to put the TEs on. They look so freaking good, dude. I'm hype. Even with this color, I thought it was gonna look goofy. Nah, it just looks fucking sick. Oh, once it's red, it's gonna be so good, dude. But the headlights, dude, the TEs. Let me fucking drive this thing down the fucking driveway real quick so the suspension settles. Yeah, it looks good. I'm a little sweat, but hell yeah. Oh man, the wheels are they're perfect, guys. I don't know what else to say. I had the reps of these exact wheels before because I liked them a lot and they were $400. These were $1,400, which is still not freaking bad for real Volks, dude. Now I have 3-piece wheels for the RX-7, but they're just 3-piece. They're GMRs. They're not like real, you know what I mean? But these are my first set of real wheels. And of course it's on a 4runner, dude. Hell yeah. All right, well, that's it. I feel like that's enough for a video. I will get to doing more in the videos. It's just kind of annoying to like set my phone up, and I don't really know how much you guys even care, to be honest, like of like seeing like montages of me working on stuff. It's more of like, hey, how's it going? This is what I'm doing today. Here's the results. Do you guys like or no? I am in love. This thing is looking very familiar, very close to the old one, but better. Not the color. I'm still not a fan of the color personally. I know a lot of people like this color, but for me, red. It's going to be red. But that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. 4runner's coming along. I'm getting very impatient. I don't know how many videos I'm going to be doing, like weekly, but you could probably expect, I want to say, I don't make it promises, but like 2 videos, maybe 3 videos a week. I think it's doable. But yeah, still waiting on a bunch of parts. This weekend I'm going to do a bunch of stuff because I have a few parts. It's just like a weekday and I just worked all day, and you know, I just kind of got a spurt in the moment thing. Like after I ate, let's go fucking put the wheels on, boys. But anyways, see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace.
Oh, thank you.
It's TV time.
I eat maple sugar.
That special grade taste, right? And Kyoto's principal is one of those higher-ups, isn't he? So if the two of them run into each other...
Look, the first year they were targeting Itadori is dead. I doubt the principal plans to do anything to the other two.
I'm doing that same decal on the 4runner because I've not seen anyone do it, and I think it's gonna look sick, dude. Forklift certified LS3 guy. And there's my pieza. Boop. Nice. Let's go see if this fits, dude. Should fit. I'm pretty okay at this. Alright, so the bottom, this is a little clamp. I'm gonna mark those holes off with the template. It fits nicely. And these should fit into these. And just bolt them. Perfect. I'm so dialed, boys. Now, take this. So boom, there's that. Sweet deal. Now I gotta punch out the holes for this. Put this all together. Assemble this. Extend these lines and run them through the... We're gonna run them through the vent. That's usually what we do because the Phytech vent's like this little rubber line, and it's just convenient to run a sender through it if it, you know, has the sender that's part of the pump. But yeah, dude, nice. Very good. Something like that. Gotta fucking squeeze these bolts through, and it'll be good. So there's that. Nice little piece. Gotta redo this because this is not good. We can't have that here. That's gotta be a pinch clamp. Not acceptable. But honestly, I'm gonna shorten the wires too because fuck it, they don't need to be like that. But there's my little piece, dude. Something like that. Let's go see what she looks like on the tank. Dialed. Right there, dude. Homeboy drilled a hole in the tank, so I had to fix that. He was gonna put that here. I was like, yo, no, that has to go where the stock sender goes. But we're Gucci. That isn't though. Yeah. Nope. Let's keep these things, you know, one spot. But yeah, happy with that. Def lunchtime though. I'm gonna go eat my watermelon. Peep how dialed, boys. Peep how dialed I am. Look at that, dude. Boom. Hella watermelon. Look at this. In comparison to the steering wheel. And all that fruit's like, I said 250 the other day. This is definitely under 200 calories. And this is like a full pound of watermelon. Gotta be. Maybe a little bit more. Dialed, dude. Sick lunch. So here we go. There's everything all set up. Fuel pump's in there. New line, move down. All the good stuff. Has optimal squish. senders on it, we're good to go. Wires ran through for the sender through the vent because the tank is already vented and we don't need that. Fucking dial, boys. Well, just a quick check-in. Work was pretty busy today. Didn't really get the chance to film too much, but I guess I'll just keep adding it to the video until it's a watchable, not too talky video. But yeah, so had to take a shower in the sink essentially because I got to meet Miranda because it's her friend's birthday and we're going from, I got to drive like 50 minutes, so I'm meeting with her because she works far from where I work. So we're meeting up, hopping in the Audi, going to get some food for her friend's birthday, and then coming home. Probably get home at 11 on a weeknight, you know. Wake up at 4:30, gym. You already know. High-key, I didn't go today, but also I haven't had a day off since like last Friday, so it's all good. We're still dialed, boys. We're still dialed. Try to get the healthiest option from this place. Quote me on that. I'll film what I get to eat. All right, so you guys know it's not fucked.
Hi. We're going to dinner.
We're not going to dinner. We're going to Schmoop's birthday.
It's dinner.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're eating.
I hope so. Fuck, we're eating.
I don't know if we're eating.
Oh.
I'll
No.
buy you food.
I'll buy me food.
I'll get you.
I need food. Get in the
I'll feed
vehicle. Get in the vehicle.
Something.
Pretty ass. Ah!
Did you?
How the fuck did you do that?
We're on a hill, okay?
I gotta cut that. Make sure you cut the ass. I can see your hole.
My whole.
I can see your fucking, yeah. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Help. You can connect to the shit. The shit, connect to the shit. We gotta go Milford now. 50-minute drive. Fastly, quickly. What are you doing? What is that?
It's a little library.
A library? We gotta go. Chinese
Made simple.
we gotta go. We got Chinese fire drill. She can't drive on passenger in the back roads.
Dark room.
Hold on, post up by the guardrail. You fucking dork. Help!
Help.
Hurry. No. Are you taking a picture of me?
Live. Oh, I can see what I look like. This is very good.
We keep evacuating to go like hang out by the water.
Social battery. Okay, I can only do social.
She's got the non-social battery. No social battery ass. Gotta go hang out by the water and take a cool video.
Yelling by the water.
I'll reserve my comment. We're going the same way. Hey.